Cordoba is Argentina's second largest city, but is it a city that is worth visiting for tourists? So in this video, we're going to discuss just that. Now in Cordoba, there aren't really many big, massive, standout tourist attractions to see. Now there are a couple of museums, there are a couple of contemporary art galleries. The cathedral there is actually really nice. You can see it in the clip here, this very yellow grand cathedral. There are also some nice green spaces as well. There's a big park called Park Sarmiento, which you can have a walk around in the nice weather. And also, perhaps the best thing you can do when you go to Cordoba is do a day trip to the town of Villa Carlos Paz. Villa Carlos Paz is a very beautiful town set on a lake, about an hour bus ride away from Cordoba city. So that's a nice day trip that you can do there. But I would say there is nothing really massively touristy about Cordoba. There isn't any standout major tourist attractions that would make a standard tourist want to go there. So what I would say is that unless you are interested in going out drinking and partying, I guess you can kind of consider skipping a trip to Cordoba when you are planning your Argentina itinerary. I would say cities like Buenos Aires, Salta, perhaps Mendoza if you're into wine. These kind of cities may have more things that you may be interested in. But if you are a young person, as I alluded to before, you may want to check out Cordoba because Cordoba is the big student city of Argentina. One thing you'll notice in Cordoba is that it is absolutely full of young people, especially at the weekend. You'll see all the young people out and about in the parks, and these are all the students that study in Cordoba. It's the oldest university in Argentina. It's one of the most prestigious universities in Latin America. So lots and lots of young people go to Cordoba. So that means at the weekends you do have lots of bars, lots of nightclubs, lots of very vibrant nightlife. But I will stress that if you are going to Cordoba to party and experience the vibrant nightlife, do make sure that you're there Thursday through to Sunday. So Thursday night, Friday night, Saturday night, because Sunday nights, Monday nights, Tuesday nights are absolutely dead. So it's not like many places in the UK, for example, where you have lots of student nights on a Monday or Tuesday night. Monday night was absolutely dead in the whole city, but at the weekend it was really thriving with life, bars, clubs, all very busy. So I do think if you're a younger person and you like to go out, I do think Cordoba is probably one of the best places in Argentina to meet people, maybe the best place, because as I said before, there is such a big student population there. I do also think the locals there are quite friendly, especially the young people. They do like meeting new people, they do like meeting foreigners. So if you do meet the people, they will be very happy to meet you and talk to you. There's also quite a good dating scene there. There are, as I said before, lots of students, and young students do like to meet new people, especially foreigners coming to Argentina. So if you are a foreigner coming there, you may have a good time in terms of the dating scene. Now, a few recommendations when you are in Cordoba. You want to try Fernet and Coca-Cola. It is the traditional drink to have there on a night out. It starts off tasting quite sweet with the Coca-Cola, and then it very suddenly goes very bitter, very planty. And also, little food recommendation if you're in Cordoba, you want to go to Bruncheria and have this Milanese sandwich. Wow, that was so good. Probably the best sandwich that I had on the trip. Got a cheesecake as well, got a lemonade too. They do lots of different lemonades there. Really nice and refreshing on a hot day. I also recommend a place called Lomiteria Popular. You can get their lomito sandwiches, which are again really popular sandwiches in Argentina. Yeah, this here was really good. Now in terms of where you need to stay, I recommend you stay in this kind of triangle within the city centre here. So this area is called Nueva Cordoba. I don't recommend that you stay in the actual centre of the city because that was quite dead. Felt a bit sketchy, felt quite rough. I'd recommend you just stay in this triangle there, which is a bit south of the Centro area. This again is called Nueva Cordoba. It's really vibrant. That's where all the bars and the restaurants are, and it probably is the safest area to stay in Cordoba. Now, if you are considering coming to Cordoba, you can book your flights to Cordoba in the description to this video. So just go to the description. The link will also be in the comment section too. Click on that Skyscanner link. I always use Skyscanner to book my flights. They are the world's best flight comparison website, so do use that link to book your flights. Cordoba does have quite a good airport. It connects you pretty much everywhere within Argentina, and also there are direct flights from Madrid to Cordoba as well. So if you are coming from Europe and if you are looking to get into Argentina in a more cheap way, do consider flying to Madrid and then getting a direct flight to Cordoba. It may actually turn out cheaper than getting a flight to Buenos Aires direct, or changing at Madrid and getting to Buenos Aires via Madrid. So do consider flying to Cordoba because it may turn out a bit cheaper for you. And also be sure to check out the other links in the description and the comment section too. So for example, the top link is a link to a side hustle where you can make money online. It's not a scam, it's a real side hustle. I use it to make money online, and it's a very good, easy to use side hustle. You can also see that there is a link to the Level 8 website. Click that link if you do want to purchase some rucksacks, some luggage, some bags for your upcoming trip. You can also get VPNs, travel insurance. And if you are interested, do check out my other socials and do consider following me on my other socials. So overall, I would recommend Cordoba if you are a young person looking to go out. But if you are maybe an older person, not too much into your nightlife scene, then maybe you may consider skipping out Cordoba, because I don't think you're going to miss very much if you do skip it out, but it's worth going if you like a party and you like to meet some people. So again, I do hope that you have found the video interesting and useful. If you have, do make sure to click the like button, really does help out the video, and also subscribe for more travel content. So thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.